Hello everyone, in today's quick video, I'll show you how to copy a Discord profile link on mobile. This is a very easy and simple method and it will work on both iPhone and Android. So just follow my steps. Before starting the video, please make sure your Discord app is updated. Open the Discord app on your phone. We have to go to the settings page. To do that, tap on your profile picture. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down until you find the advanced option. Now tap on the advanced option. Here, turn on developer mode. Now go back to the Discord homepage. Tap on any chat option. Tap on your profile picture from here. Tap on this three dot icon on your profile page. Now tap on copy user ID. Close the Discord app. Open any note app on your phone. Write this link, alright? discordapp.com/user/ and paste the profile ID here after the slash. And we are done. Here is our Discord profile link. Thank you for watching.